Life is full of surprises. Some good, some not so good. And that's where protection insurance comes in. It's about having a safety net in place, one that supports you and your loved ones financially if something unexpected happens. Because while we can't predict the future, we can prepare for it. Protection insurance gives you financial support when life throws you off track, whether that's illness, injury, or the loss of a loved one. It's there to help cover essential costs like your mortgage, household bills, childcare, education, or simply keeping day-to-day life running when things get tough. It's not just peace of mind for you, it's security for what matters most, your family. Protection comes in the form of an insurance policy, and just like other types of insurance, you pay a monthly premium to an insurance company. That premium is based on things like the type of cover you choose, your age, health and lifestyle, and how much financial support you'd want the policy to provide if you needed it. Premiums are tailored to you, and they can be more affordable than you think. In simple terms, a protection policy pays out a lump sum or regular income if something happens that's covered by the policy. That could mean replacing lost income if you're unable to work in the event of an illness, injury, or your death, helping you pay off your mortgage, or supporting your family through a difficult time. There are different types of cover depending on what you want to protect and how you want that protection to work. Many policies come with built-in benefits, and these can vary between providers. For example, some income protection policies offer rehabilitation support, and critical illness cover might include children's cover at no extra cost. Life insurance policies can be placed in trust so they pay out directly to your loved ones. But it's not just always about price, it's about what's right for you and your family. While it's natural to look for value, the cheapest policy might not give you the right level of cover or features that matter most. That's why it's important to focus on suitability first, making sure the cover you choose meets your needs and supports your goals. Protection can feel complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Your advisor will guide you through your options and recommend the right type of cover at a level that works for you and your budget. It's expert advice that's personal, practical, and fully tailored to your circumstances. Let's take a quick look at the three main types of protection insurance. Income protection is an insurance policy that pays you a regular income if you're unable to work due to illness or injury. It's designed to help cover everyday living costs, things like rent or mortgage payments, utility bills, groceries, and other essentials while you recover. It typically pays a percentage of your income, often up to 60%. These policies cover most illnesses or injuries that stop you from working, either physical or mental health related, depending on the policy. It usually doesn't cover redundancy. It can be bought by and for anyone who relies on their income, whether employed, self-employed, or a business owner. It's often taken out by individuals for themselves, but couples and families can also include it as part of their overall protection plan. It can also be bought by those who are stay-at-home parents and carers, as if they were unable to continue providing childcare or other household duties, it could be expensive for someone else to step in. Houseperson's income protection can be taken out to pay for these additional costs. You should consider income protection if you have limited or no sick pay from your employer, you're self-employed, you don't have enough savings or other financial support to fall back on, your household would struggle without your income, you have a mortgage, rent, or other living expenses that would still need to be covered if you were ill or injured, or you don't want to have to rely on state benefits, which can be hard to claim. Critical illness cover pays out a lump sum if you are diagnosed with a serious illness listed in the policy. The three main conditions are cancer, heart attack, and stroke, though many more conditions are typically covered, such as blindness, multiple sclerosis, or loss of a limb. Many policies also include cover for children, paying out a lump sum if your child is sadly diagnosed with a serious illness. Products do vary, and only specified illnesses noted in the policy conditions will be covered, but your advisor will be able to help you compare the different options available. It helps cover the financial impact of serious illness, helping you to pay for everyday expenses, as well as the added costs of being seriously ill. It can also be used for private medical treatment, adapting your home to meet medical needs, taking time off work for you and your loved ones to focus on recovery and care, or even paying off debts. It's often bought by individuals or couples looking to protect themselves and their families. Some policies also include children's cover, offering additional layer of support for families. You should consider critical illness cover if you would need financial support should you become seriously ill, you have a mortgage or other personal loans or debts that you would still need to pay if you were seriously ill, or if you have dependent children and want financial support if they were to become ill and require extra care. Critical illness cover gives you peace of mind that you have the funds available to cope with the impact of a serious diagnosis. Life cover is the most well-known type of protection insurance. It pays out either a lump sum or a regular income if you pass away during the policy term, and will provide financial support for the people you leave behind. Anyone can take out life insurance subject to underwriting to protect their partner, children, or other family members. Policies can be tailored to suit individual, joint, or family needs. You can either choose life cover to protect you for a specific period of time, such as the length of your mortgage, or you can simply choose for it to cover you until you pass away. You should consider life cover if you have a partner, children, or anyone who relies on your income and want to ensure they are financially secure when you pass away. You want to ensure that the mortgage is paid off should you die, or you want to ensure your funeral costs are paid. Speak to your advisor today to find out what protection might be right for you, because the right cover at the right time can make all the difference. No one likes to think about the worst happening, but putting protection in place is one of the most thoughtful, caring things you can do for yourself and for the people who matter most.